Welcome back to Simply Forex, guys. A lot of the subscribers, you've requested that we do more tutorials on Simply Forex. So here you are. We're going to do a tutorial today. What we're going to do, guys, is as I give you trade ideas every day, as interesting situations come up in the market, if I think it's worthy of some potential training, then that's exactly what we'll do. So as situations arise and we can learn new skills and we can develop our understanding of the market and how we can trade them, then we will do exactly that. As they come up, we will look at them in the form of a tutorial. Okay, so this trade and this piece of training is specifically from Friday the 3rd of June, and it's regarding the Euro Aussie dollar. Okay, so let's take a look at the day chart. So as you can remember from Friday, guys, Friday the 3rd of June, we were looking to short this pair. Okay, so the reasons for that were as follows. We had higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, didn't create a higher high. Okay, and eventually these lows here were broken. Okay, so we had a downward structure and we also had two very bearish candles form. So the idea was just to take price back down to this blue line here. Okay, and as you can see, guys, that didn't happen. All right, but let's look at H1 so we can look at this and learn from it. And I'm going to show you a slightly different way you can potentially trade. It's a little bit more complex than what we normally do, guys, but if it helps you with your training and develops new skills, then great. So what we have is our two grey zones. I give you these every morning, guys. And what we want to see is price react here. If it does, we can get in, or price could react here. If it does, we can get in. Okay, so price did react at this first grey zone, and we had this bearish candle form here. Okay, so this would have been a perfectly reasonable entry. Okay, so let's say you entered on the close of this candle, put your stop here. The idea is just to take it back down to these lows. Okay, you would have got stopped out. Okay, you would have got stopped out. You would have had a losing trade, and there's no problem, guys. We have losing trades. Just follow your money management. But I'm going to show you a different technique. All right. So let's imagine we enter on the close of this red candle. Okay. We put a sell here. So we're going to call this sell 1. Okay. And we would normally put our stop here. Okay, as we normally do. But instead of a stop order, guys, we're now going to use a buy order. I'm going to call this buy 1. Okay, so let's say we entered this trade, we entered sell 1. But what you have to do, guys, is only enter 50% of your normal size. Whatever your trade lot is, only enter 50% of your normal size. Okay, this is important because otherwise your money management gets thrown out of the window. Okay, so we've entered 50% here at sell 1. We've now got a buy 1, and this buy order will be exactly the same value as this sell order. Okay, and as you can see, guys, price comes up and it takes our buy order. So at this level here, we are now in a buy. Normally, we would be stopped out and we're out of the trade. Okay, but this is a different method. So we enter a buy trade now. Okay, so now we're in a buy trade and a sell trade. I am holding a loss. So I'm holding this amount here. From the sell order to the buy order, I am negative this amount. Okay, but I'm still in this buy order. I'm not out of the trade. I haven't been stopped out. Okay, and then price comes back up to here and we get another entry candle. Okay, this is a perfectly good entry. Come up to our second grey zone, got a bearish engulfing candle. It was late Friday night. Maybe I wouldn't have entered this, but I'm just showing you this for training purposes. Okay, so now when this candle closes, yeah, here, we then close B1. Our buy order, we then close. Okay, we then put another sell order in. I'm going to call this sell 2, and this is 50% of our normal trade lot size. All right, so we've closed at this level here. B1 has been closed. Okay, we've entered another short because we've had a setup, and now we've got 2 sell orders. Okay, and these now equate to 100% of our normal lot size. Okay, and obviously we need to protect ourselves, guys. So we will have here, we will have a buy 2. Okay, and this is S1 plus S2. All right, so it's the same value of S1 and S2. Okay, if price comes back up and takes this buy order, we won't be stopped out, but we will be negative. But we will just be we'll be holding a losing position. Okay, so that could happen, yeah, and then price could carry on all the way up here. Okay, but then we're not interested, guys. Yeah, it's left our grey zone. Okay, but we will be holding a loss. It's important that you understand this. Yeah, this is not a miracle skill to learn. You will still be holding a loss. All right. The alternative is we then have, yeah, this holds. Yeah, price doesn't enter this buy number 2. Yeah, it doesn't get triggered, and price comes back down. Okay, comes back down to these lows. So then we have S2 becomes profitable, and S1 eventually becomes profitable if we close at these last lows. And we've taken a small profit on B1. Yeah, from here to this level here. Yeah, we've taken a small profit on B1. Okay, so it's far more complex way to trade, guys, but it can be very profitable. Yeah, we take profit here, we have profit from S2, and we have profit from S1. And we're still keeping within our money management. Okay, guys? But, you know, it can obviously go wrong as well. And you could get buy 2 could be triggered, and then you're holding a loss from, you know, S1 all the way up to B2. You're holding a loss. Okay? But you can see that it can be very profitable trading this way. But also, guys, if you're holding that loss, let's say B2 gets triggered and you're holding the loss, then you hold it. Yeah, you hold that loss. You don't try and get out of this trade until you get another setup. This could be in a few days, a few weeks, whatever. You're holding this trade. Okay, so firstly, you need to be careful of your equity and your margin, yeah, because this will obviously take up some of your margin. Okay, and secondly, you need to be careful of commissions because you're entering 2 sell orders and potentially 2 buy orders, and there will be commission on all of those. So you must be aware of that as well, guys. Okay, but like I said, guys, we're going to show you some tutorials over the coming weeks. So I hope you've enjoyed this one. If you have, guys, then please subscribe to the channel and smash that notification button, and also smash the like button if you've enjoyed today's tutorial. If you've got any questions regarding it, please leave a comment below the video. Yeah, and I'll see you on the next tutorial, guys. See you later.